Hi students, today continue our chapter sorting data within a table. Okay, this is our last topic in chapter 3, sorting data within
We
a
now tell
table.
you how to sort data within a table.
Okay, we can sort data within a table with respect to particular field either in ascending order or descending order. See, select the desired field. So I enter some three names. Click the drop down arrow at the top of the field you with the sort. When the menu appears, select either sort A to Z or sort Z to A. Either you start what A to Z ascending order or descending order. Okay, sort Z to A option and observe the change in the database. See, tip. What is the tip? The sort commands in sort and filter group on the ribbon is another way to sort the data. To clear your sort, click the clear all sorts command in the sort and filter group on the ribbon. Okay, quick view. To go to the first and last field in the current record, press the home and end key respectively. So, and next, to go to the first and last field in the current record, press the home and end key respectively. So in this chapter, what is the key points? Points at a key points. So in this lesson, what we discuss, a table is a database object which consists of rows and columns. A data type determines the type of data a particular field can accept. A table in Access can be created and modified in the design view. The primary key is a toggle key. A table can have only one primary key. And next, okay, so these are we discuss in this chapter. Children, in this lesson, some questions. In text data type, we can store a maximum of dash characters. Okay, how many characters enters in text? Delete rows 255, memo, primary, tab, toggle key. Okay, so characters, you remembering that one? Characters, 255 characters. Okay, you enter. Okay, next question. Dash generates a sequential number whenever a new record is added to a table. New record, what is that one? Auto number. Okay, auto number, your answer. Next question. So MS Access use the dash key to relate the table record to those another table. Okay, what is that one answer? Primary. Okay, primary key. Next, fourth question. Dash key is used to move to the next column. Next, you enter the next cell or next column. Which key you press? Tab key. Okay, tab. Your answer is tab. Fifth question. So, select the dash stores up to 1 GB of data. 1 GB of data, you enter the particular cell. So, which one correct answer? Delete rows, 255, memo, primary, tab and toggle hyperlink. So, your answer is hyperlink. Okay, hyperlink you select. Sixth question. Dash data type is used for descriptive fields. Okay, answer is memo. Next, the primary key is dash key. Primary key, another name is, what is that one? Toggle key. Okay, toggle key is your answer. Next, to delete field, first select the field and then click on delete rows button on the design tab. Okay, delete rows. Your answer is delete rows. Okay, thank you. So all are write your notes. I send in parent app already. So write your notes and send in the WhatsApp group. Okay. Thank you.